Top 5 AI tools for productivity in 2025. If you feel like AI is everywhere but still can't figure out which tools boost your productivity, you're not alone. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 AI tools that are not just smart, but real time savers. Tool number 1, Notion AI. What it does: summarizes notes, generates content, and manages tasks. Unique angle: use custom GPTs or plugins for specific workflows. Use case: write emails, create outlines, and automate writing. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. GPT-4. What it does: writing, brainstorming, coding help, and email replies. Unique angle: use custom GPTs or plugins for specific workflows. Use case: write emails, create outlines, and automate writing. Tool number 3, ClickUp AI. What it does: project management plus smart summaries and task suggestions. Why it's good: great for teams and solo creators alike. Use case: auto-generate task lists from meeting notes. Tool number 4, Tactiq. What it does: transcribes and summarizes Google Meet, Zoom, Teams calls. Why it's fire: auto-generated summaries with timestamps plus quotes. Use case: instantly turn calls into notes and action items. Tool number 5, Fireflies.ai. What it does: AI meeting assistant, records, transcribes, analyzes. Why it's different: more integrations, good analytics. Use case: track decisions and follow-ups across multiple meetings. If you want me to deep dive into any of these tools, comment below. I've dropped links in the description, including some free trials and discounts if you want to try them out. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.